Wrestler was created by Trevor Lidke. Tonight we're going to draw Season 9 Thumb Wrestler, Cactus Jeff. This man is a criminal from the Wild West. He loves nothing but trouble, robbing banks, spitting on other thumbs, and even, throwing chairs. And, well, he doesn't really give a trash. Until now. Anyways, this episode goes out to Trevor Lidke. If you're watching this, all credit for this episode goes out to Spilled Milk Productions. Be sure to watch the Thumb Wrestling Federation series, because I admire his show as much as you guys do as well.